Hey, stupid fucking masks fuck up my beard all the time. And you're not gonna see a picture of me taking a mask. Let me fucking tell you that. Pictures with a mask. Stop being an idiot. All right, pizza review. Haven't done this in a while. Damn it. Looks disgusting. Looks horrible. Looks terrible. I'm scared to eat it, but I'm hungry and I haven't done one of these. All right, so we got the flop. I don't know. All right. Looks like it tastes. You know what? No. Typical real doughy dough. For whatever reason, the tomato has an interesting tang. I like the herbs. You know, cheese is cheese, whatever. There's nothing spectacular about the cheese. It was a shitty fucking day. I didn't get what I wanted there. And I'm definitely not going to get a good pizza out of this. Good pizza review, but, you know. It's frozen pizza that was put in the oven. That's it, you know, I mean. This was made at the, you know, whatever. You know, I've obviously had worse, and I've probably given it better scores. This, you know, compared to the Costco pizza, this is a bit better. Costco is just disgusting. I'm gonna go for like a 2.9, man. That's it. See ya.